Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about iPhone XR. So the reason for me for making this video is I have been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube that talks about in 2020 which iPhone you should go for. Especially considering the year that the iPhone 12 launch dates and everything is delayed. Some people are going for iPhone 11, some are going for iPhone 10R, some are going for iPhone 10s. So in this video I'm going to give you 5 reasons that you should go for this iPhone 10R, and also in 2020 iPhone 10R is a very capable device. And also I was checking Amazon for the price range, and also I'm going to give you the reasons why you should especially go with this device considering the current deals that are going on in the online market right now. So I'm just going to talk about all of this in this video. So if you're new here on my channel, welcome to my channel, and do like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to support me. Actually that gives me motivation to make more of this kind of videos. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I was saying that we're going to talk about why in 2020 you should spend money on iPhone 10R. If you're planning to buy an iPhone, and probably an iPhone that would work for like probably next 3 to 4 years, then this is a good option. Because I'll tell you why. Because if you go to Amazon, considering the current deals and the offers that are going on in Amazon, I was just checking Amazon. So the iPhone 10R is being sold at a price of 52,000 to 55,000. So on top of that, there are deals. Right now there's a deal going on Amazon that if you have a SBI credit card, there would be 10% discount. So 52,000, if you calculate that 10% discount, if it becomes around 45,000. So considering the price point, I guess 45,000 is definitely a go for iPhone 10R, because people are saying that you should go for iPhone 11. I feel that still the iPhone 11 price is not that much reduced. It's being sold at around 63,000 somehow. You can of course save that like 18 to 90,000, almost 20,000 rupees, and can go for iPhone 10R. First of all, iPhone 10R and iPhone 11, there's not much of a difference. There are difference, of course, yes. If you talk about the camera, there's a single camera here. There's a dual camera that actually takes a better photo in 2020. If you want to take good photos, probably you should go for iPhone 11. But talking about the performance, I have made a couple of videos on my channel talking about the performance aspect. I do keep on making this kind of videos, like with latest iOS updates, what are the performance factors, because I personally use this iPhone 10R and it's been fluid actually. So with the latest iOS 13.6 update, there was no performance issues, although there are other issues like battery drain and also that I have mentioned in a separate video. But then again, talking about the performance, it runs on your A12 Bionic chip, and iPhone 11 it runs on your A13. So if you talk about the raw performance, if in let it be your daily task, let it be streaming online videos, let it be anything, A12 will go through everything you throw at it. Let it be games, let it be video editing, probably a video on your phone that you would like to edit. So everything will be very smooth on iPhone 10R. Personally, I have been using this device more than a year, and I never felt for upgrading my iPhone to iPhone 11. Yes, of course, if you want a good camera, if you want a better camera that takes a better photos, then probably you should go for iPhone 11. But other than that, I think so you should save your money and can go for iPhone 10R, because it sells around 45,000. And also if you do check out the deals, do definitely check out the links below. I'll be putting a link from exactly where you can buy this iPhone 10R from Amazon. Definitely go ahead and check the link below in the description. So definitely I think so you should save money and go for this iPhone 10R. Talking about the performance aspect, talking about the camera, and talking about every other thing, iPhone 10R and iPhone 11, yes, there are difference in terms of camera, but not in terms of performance very much. If you talk about the other aspects as well, regarding the build quality, regarding the screen, regarding the display, so everything is not very different on iPhone 10R and 11. It's just that it's having a better camera. Yes, A13 Bionic processor, but trust me on this guys, A12 Bionic chip will serve you for more than 5 to 6 years. It's gonna get update for iOS 14, iOS 15, probably 16, and many more years to come. So if you're planning to buy an iPhone, my suggestion would be go for an iPhone 10R. I will be leaving a link in the description below. In that way you can save some real money. Yeah, so that was the video. I talked about the few reasons why you should go for iPhone 10R in 2020. So if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and also definitely do subscribe to my channel if you're not yet a part of our YouTube family. So I will see you on my next video. Bye.